Did you know your houseplant could be slowly dying this summer, even if you think you're taking care of it perfectly? Meet the ZZ plant, famous for being unkillable. But here's the truth. Summer heat changes everything. Too much sun, too much water, or even just the wrong spot in your home can turn those glossy green leaves yellow before you even notice. In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 powerful summer care tips that will keep your ZZ plant not just alive, but thriving, growing faster, and looking stunning all season long. And trust me, tip number 3 is where most people go wrong. Perfect summer lighting. Summer light can be both a blessing and a danger for your ZZ plant. While this plant is known for tolerating low light, it actually grows much faster and healthier in bright, indirect sunlight. During summer, the sun becomes much stronger, and placing your ZZ plant in direct sunlight, especially during midday, can easily burn its beautiful leaves. You might notice signs like yellowing, browning edges, or faded color. That's your plant telling you it's getting too much harsh light. The best spot is near a window where sunlight is filtered through curtains or reflected off walls. East-facing windows are ideal because they provide gentle morning sunlight without the intense afternoon heat. If your space is darker, don't worry, the ZZ plant will still survive. But if you want that lush, glossy growth, increasing light without direct exposure is key. Rotating your plant every couple of weeks can also help it grow evenly and prevent leaning. Remember, summer is the season of growth. Giving your ZZ plant the right light conditions is like giving it the energy it needs to thrive. Balance is everything. Too little slows growth. Too much causes damage. Find that sweet spot and your plant will reward you with vibrant, healthy leaves. Smart watering routine. If there's one mistake that kills more ZZ plants than anything else, it's overwatering, especially in summer. Many people assume that because temperatures are higher, plants need more water, but the ZZ plant doesn't work that way. This plant stores water in its thick underground rhizomes, acting like a natural reservoir. That means it prefers dry conditions and can go weeks without watering. In summer, you should only water your ZZ plant when the soil is completely dry. This usually means every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your environment. Before watering, always check the soil by sticking your finger about 2 to 3 inches deep. If it still feels moist, wait for a few more days. When you do water, do it thoroughly. Let water flow out of the drainage holes, then empty any excess from the tray. One of the biggest dangers during summer is combining heat with soggy soil. This creates the perfect environment for root rot, which can quickly kill your plant. Yellow leaves and mushy stems are warning signs. It's always better to underwater than overwater a ZZ plant. Think of it as a desert survivor. It thrives on neglect more than attention. Master this watering routine and you'll avoid the most common mistake plant owners make. Temperature and placement secrets. Your ZZ plant may be tough, but where you place it during summer can make a big difference in its health. While it can tolerate warm conditions, extreme heat or sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. The ideal temperature range for a ZZ plant is between 18 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, or 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. During summer, indoor environments usually fall within this range, but certain spots in your home can become too hot. For example, placing your plant near a window with direct sun exposure or next to walls that trap heat can create a mini oven effect. Equally important is avoiding cold drafts from air conditioners. Sudden shifts from hot to cold can shock the plant, leading to leaf drop or slowed growth. Stability is key. ZZ plants prefer consistent conditions. Try placing your plant in a well-ventilated room with good airflow but away from direct heat sources. Corners near bright windows, living rooms, or office spaces are often ideal. Also, avoid moving your plant too frequently. ZZ plants don't like constant changes in their environment. Once you find a good spot, let it settle. By maintaining the right temperature and placement, you create a stress-free environment where your ZZ plant can focus on growing strong and healthy all summer long. Soil and drainage must-knows. The foundation of a healthy ZZ plant starts below the surface, with the soil. During summer, Proper soil and drainage become even more important because heat speeds up moisture retention in evaporation cycles. ZZ plants need well-draining soil to prevent water from sitting around their roots. A heavy, compact mix of soil can trap moisture, leading to root rot, a common issue during warmer months. The best option is a succulent or cactus mix, which allows excess water to drain quickly. If you're mixing your own soil, combine regular potting soil with sand, perlite, or pumice to improve drainage. This creates air pockets that help roots breathe and stay healthy. Equally important is the pot. Always use a container with drainage holes. Without proper drainage, even the perfect soil mix won't save your plant from overwatering damage. During summer, check how quickly your soil dries after watering. If it stays wet for too long, it's a sign your drainage needs improvement. Healthy roots are the secret to a thriving ZZ plant. When the roots are happy, the entire plant flourishes, producing shiny leaves and steady growth. Neglect the soil, and even the toughest plant can struggle. Think of soil as your plant's foundation. Get it right, and everything else becomes easier. Fertilizing for faster growth. Summer is the active growing season for your ZZ plant, which makes it the perfect time to give it a little nutritional boost. While ZZ plants don't require much feeding, the right fertilizer can encourage faster growth and healthier leaves. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during summer. Make sure to dilute it to half strength, as ZZ plants are sensitive to overfeeding. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots and cause more harm than good. Apply fertilizer after watering, not on dry soil. This helps prevent root damage and allows nutrients to absorb more effectively. If your plant is in low light, you may not need to fertilize as often, since growth will naturally be slower. On the other hand, if it's in bright, indirect light, you'll likely notice new shoots and stronger stems with proper feeding. Watch your plant closely. Dark green leaves and steady growth are signs you're doing it right. If you see yellowing or salt buildup on the soil surface, reduce feeding. Fertilizing isn't about forcing growth, it's about supporting your plant during its natural growing phase. When done correctly, it enhances the beauty and vitality of your ZZ plant without overwhelming it. Cleaning and maintenance. Keeping your ZZ plant clean and well-maintained is one of the easiest ways to boost its health and appearance during summer. Dust can build up on the leaves, blocking sunlight and reducing the plant's ability to photosynthesize effectively. Take a soft, damp cloth and gently wipe each leaf every couple of weeks. This not only keeps your plant looking shiny and vibrant, but also helps it absorb more light for better growth. While cleaning, inspect your plant for any signs of damage, yellowing leaves, or pests. While ZZ plants are resistant to most pests, summer conditions can sometimes attract unwanted visitors like spider mites. If you notice yellow or damaged leaves, prune them using clean scissors. This helps the plant redirect energy towards healthy growth instead of trying to maintain dying foliage. Another important tip is to occasionally rotate your plant so all sides receive equal light. This prevents uneven growth and keeps the plant looking full and balanced. Maintenance doesn't take much time, but it makes a big difference. A clean, well-cared-for ZZ plant not only grows better, but also becomes a stunning centerpiece in your home. So there you have it. 6 simple but powerful summer care tips to keep your ZZ plant thriving, healthy, and absolutely beautiful all season long. Remember, this plant doesn't need constant attention, it just needs the right care at the right time. Master these tips and your ZZ plant will reward you with glossy leaves and effortless growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow plant lover. And tell me in the comments, how is your ZZ plant doing this summer?